Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are all well. Today we will discuss about the WooCommerce payment method. How we can use a payment method in our WooCommerce store. Today we will use a payment method of Razor Pay method. This is an payment method, but here we will use as a test mode. We can use this method of two ways. First one is test mode, and second one is live mode. Live mode is online. If your website is in hosting platform or live, anybody can use your website using internet. Uh, then you can use Razorpay for a live, and the test mode is used for a test purpose. If you are offline and your website is not host, then you can use test mode for Razorpay. So let's do started. You can hear some products of my store. Click on add to cart. Now click on view cart. Here you will see your product now in the your add to cart. So click on now proceed to checkout. Here you will see billing form, but you will see here is not any payment method showing, because we have not added the payment method for our store. Let's do start it. How we can use this Razorpay payment method? So go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins and choose the add new. When you will click on add new, search here Razorpay. Here you will see many plugins related to the Razorpay, but you find the Razorpay payment links for WooCommerce. Install now, and now activate this plugin. You can see Razorpay payment links for WooCommerce successfully activate. Now go to the WooCommerce and click on the setting. You will see here many options in the top tab, but you will click on the payments. Here you will see 4 payment method. WooCommerce provide 3 built-in payment methods for our users. First one is direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. Cash on delivery mostly used in the world level for our store. Last one is our using plugin Razorpay payment gateway. We will use this plugin today, but see this demo for a demo cash on delivery. Click on enable and save changes. Now go back to your store and checkout. Here click on and refresh this page. Now you will see here a cash on delivery payment method. Yeah, you can see here this is working. You can also purchase this place the order using the cash on delivery. Here I have already filled up the form. You can see here my name, the street, town, state, etc. And click on a place an order. Here now you can see here your order is successfully delivered. Thank you, your order has been received. Order number, date, today date, email, total price, payment method. Here your order detail and billing address. This is a cash on delivery payment method, but we will use the Razorpay. This is a for demo how can use the cash on delivery, but here we will discuss about the Razorpay payment method. So go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on payment, and here you will see the payment Razor payment gateway. Click on enable this proceed. After that click on setup. Here you will see the all setting of the Razorpay payment gateway. Uh, Title, description, thank you message, Razorpay API type, live client API, live client secret. Live client API key mean if your website is in a hosting platform, then you will use this input box. Otherwise, if you are using the test mode, then you will use this text field. Here we will use the test mode because we are using this node for test purpose. So here you can see here I have already add the API key and secret key, but I will retry this procedure, remove this, and how get this API key and secret key. For this we will create an account in Razorpay dot com website. We will create a new account in this website, and then we will add a card detail. You can see here dashboard Razorpay. I have already logged in this website, but you are new, then you will first of all create a new account in the Razorpay, and after that when you will log in, then you will see the same dashboard similarly in your website, in your browser. Now here you can see a sidebar in the left side. Scroll down, here you can see setting, click on this. Click on API key. Here you will see I have already generated a API key, but when you are if you are new, then you will see here generate a new key. I will use this regenerate test key. Deactivate this old key, and this will automatically generate a new key. You can see here, copy the key ID and paste here. Now copy the secret key and now paste here. You can after that you can also see, use this setup bus. This is for a live website. So here I am using for test purpose. That's why we are not using this checkbox. So now save changes. Don't worry about this error. This is showing could not enable webhook for localhost because webhook is using for a live website. Here I am using a localhost. You can also see here your setting have been saved. Now go to your store. You can see here checkout page. Refresh this page. You can see here two payment method: cash on delivery and Razorpay method. Look, you can see here cash on delivery and pay with Razorpay. Now click on this and fill up this form. I have already filled up this required field. After that, proceed to payment. When you will click this page, this form will go to the Razorpay payment method, because you are using the API key or Razorpay. That's why this page will go to the Razorpay payment menu. You can see here link razorpay.com/payment method -link. You can see here. After that you can also see here click enter your country code, choose your country code, and after that enter your phone number and email. Now click on pay using card. After you will see here card. This is a demo work. Razorpay will not detect your payment for this product because this is a demo purpose. So click on this. Here you can see here this is asking for a card number and expiry date, cardholder name and CVV symbol. I have a card enter the card number, but my card number is not an international level. That's why maybe this will show error. After the expiry date, now card name, CVC number. Now click on pay. Here, when you will click on pay, this will redirect your Razorpay dashboard. You can see here this is showing an error because my card has not international card are not allowed. That's why this is showing error. If your card is international, then this will pick your card, but this will not detect your payment in your card. This is a test mode. After that, when you will successfully this process, after that go back to your Razorpay dashboard, and here you will see transaction option after the home. Click on this. You can see here purchase detail, order detail, email, ID number, both ID are separate, amount, but status is failed because this is a test demo, not a live website. I hope this video will help you how we can use the Razorpay method. So thank you so much for this watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for new videos. Thank you so much.